At Apex Waves, we often work with legacy test systems that require specific operating systems to maintain compatibility with older National Instruments hardware and drivers. In today's video, our technician will walk you through how to install and activate Windows 7 Professional on an NI PXI controller. Before getting started, make sure you have these three things: your Windows 7 Professional installation media, or ISO, a bootable USB drive or external DVD drive, and your Windows product key. You'll also want to confirm that your PXI controller supports Windows 7. Most legacy controllers, such as the PXI 8106, PXIe 8130, or PXIe 8135, will work without issue. Start by entering the controller's BIOS, usually by pressing Delete, F10, or F12 during startup. From there, set your boot device to the USB or external drive containing the Windows 7 installation files. Once that's saved, restart the controller and it will boot directly into the Windows setup. Follow the standard Windows installation process. Select your preferred language, choose the drive to install Windows on, and let the setup complete. Depending on the controller and storage device, installation can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. Once installation is complete and the controller restarts into Windows 7, make sure to install any required drivers for your PXI controller and modules. You can download NI drivers like NI DAC MX, NI Visa, or PXI platform services directly from the Apex Waves driver downloads page. Now, it's time to activate your license. You can go to the Start menu and right-click on the computer option, and then choose Properties to find the Windows Activation link, or just search Windows Activation as our technician does. Normally, you can activate Windows online, but in some cases, especially with older controllers or disconnected systems, you'll need to activate by phone. As you see in our demonstration, trying to activate over the internet does not work in our case. Our technician will then need to activate Windows by calling Microsoft's Activation Center. After choosing the call center option, it will ask for your nearest location for available phone numbers. We will select the United States. You should now see a screen that lists three options to get a confirmation ID. We will call the toll-free number. During the call, the automation told us that it will send us a link for us to get the confirmation ID. Our technician then enters the installation ID that is shown in Step 2 and is given the corresponding codes for the confirmation ID. After entering the 54-digit long confirmation ID, you can click Next. If the match is successful, you will see an Activation was successful window. Windows will now recognize the system as genuine. From there, your PXI system will be fully operational, running Windows 7 Professional, ready to interface with legacy NI software such as LabVIEW 2014, Test Stand, or other compatible tools. This concludes today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for legacy NI parts, calibration services, or more technical resources, head on over to apexwaves.com to get what you need fast. We have thousands of NI parts in stock and ready to ship, including legacy and obsolete modules you won't find anywhere else. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.